So this is the Toffee grid, and here you'll notice that this is where the tags are. So the way that they want us to cut it is the 5 by 12 with the tags on that side. So, and it says watch orientation of paper. So we definitely want the tags on this side with the birds, and this is for layout number 2. So we want 5 inches by 12. And that's layout number 2, which is the Toffee paper. So next we want 5 by 6. So if we make that cut, and then we can cut the other ones out after that. So I've just done 5 inches, and then we'll do the 6 inches up the paper, and that's again for layout 2. Then we have 2 by 2, 2 2 by 2s. And that's for layout 3. And then we have a 3 3/4 by 3 1/4. So how much have we got here? We've got just under 4. So if we do, I don't think it really matters which way we do it, but if we do it this way, so 3 3/4. By 3 1/4. And that's for layout 1. Okay, so these are our leftover strips. So the next one we're cutting is the limeade one.